In this video, I will show you how to reset your LG Smart TV to factory default settings. Now, there are a couple of reasons why you might want to do this. So take for instance, you want to sell off the TV, or you have messed up with the settings of the TV and want to just bring it back as though it's brand new. In any of these cases, resetting the TV can be very necessary. Now, to do this, what you want to do is to head over to the settings of your LG Smart TV. So you can go ahead and press on the settings button on your remote control, or alternatively, you can just scroll over to the settings icon at the top right corner of your LG Smart TV. So scroll over to the top just like so. Go ahead and select the settings icon over here. Now from here, you just want to scroll down until you get to all settings over here. Click on all settings. And from here, you want to scroll down again until you get to general. And once you get to general, hover horizontally to the right hand side, and then you also want to scroll down until you get to system settings over here. Click on it, and now you just want to scroll down until you get to reset to initial settings over here. So just go ahead and click on it just like so, and then you're going to see this notification over here indicating that by resetting the TV, you're going to be deleting your LG account and deleting all apps on the LG Smart TV. So once you're satisfied, you just want to go ahead and click on reset all, or if you want to reset some things, you can go ahead and reset except your network settings over here, as you can see. But then if you actually want your LG Smart TV to clear up everything and just start as though it is brand new, then you want to go ahead and select reset all just like so, and the resetting process will automatically start on your LG Smart TV. Now give it a minute or two and it will automatically show the WebOS logo over here. So finally, we've been able to reset our LG Smart TV over here back to factory default settings. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.